In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show 100 emails in your Gmail inbox. Adjusting the number of emails displayed in your inbox can greatly enhance your email management by giving you a broader view of your messages and helping you keep track of important emails more efficiently. So, if you're ready to streamline your inbox, let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. If you're not already signed in, this is the time to do so with your credentials. Once you're in your Gmail account, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen where you'll spot a gear icon. Clicking on this icon will open up the Quick Settings panel. This panel provides a variety of options to adjust your Gmail view, but for now, we're going to focus on just one specific task. Look for the line that reads, "See All Settings," and click on it. This action takes you to the comprehensive settings menu for your Gmail account, an area that holds all the necessary details to tweak your Gmail experience. Within this settings page, you'll encounter several tabs arranged along the top. Navigate over to the one labeled Inbox and select it. Once you've come into the inbox settings, you'll want to scroll down until you find the section marked as Maximum Page Size. Here, you'll observe a drop-down menu beside the text. By clicking this drop-down, you'll unveil a list of numbers reflecting the email quantities you can choose from to display in your inbox at once. For our purpose today, you want to set this to 100. Go ahead and click 100 from that drop-down menu. After you've selected 100, it's essential to remember to scroll down a bit further where you'll see the Save Changes button. It is crucial to click on this button to apply your new settings. Once saved, Gmail will refresh, and you'll be able to view up to 100 emails per page, effectively giving you a broader scope of your emails at a glance. By implementing this new setting, you're now equipped to manage your email without having to flip through multiple pages constantly. This change can be especially beneficial if you handle a high volume of emails and need a panoramic view to ensure nothing crucial slips through the cracks. And there you have it, a straightforward adjustment that can make a significant difference in how efficiently you manage your emails. If you encounter any issues with this process, checking your browser settings or trying a different browser can be useful troubleshooting steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you feel more in control of your Gmail inbox. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials to make your tech life easier.